In the small seaside town of Yabucoa, Puerto Rico, baseball is something of an obsession.
Kids start playing in the little leagues at around 3 or 4 years of age. It's the game that we all enjoy, and it is a passion of the people of Yabucoa.
But when Hurricane Maria made landfall in Yabucoa, the island was devastated. Residents were without basic necessities: food, water, medicine, and electricity. Their fields of dreams left flooded, rutted, broken, and unusable. And without baseball, the hopes and dreams of the children of Yabucoa were on hold. Travelers had reached out to All Hands and Hearts to ask about how we could help. All Hands and Hearts, a volunteer-based nonprofit, has been responding to disasters around the world since 2004, and in response to Hurricane Maria, had set up a base camp in Yabucoa.
One of the things that's important if you really want to be helpful after a major disaster in thinking about the psychological trauma that people have been through is to listen to them and say, what could we do that you think would be most helpful?
The community identified a safe place for the children to play the game they love as a priority. On March 2nd, travelers volunteers arrived in the Yabucoa barrio of Martorell to work with All Hands and Hearts and community volunteers to restore the neighborhood ball field to playing condition and to build a playground. The goal was to restore hope to the children and to a community traumatized by the hurricane.
I spent all my summers here with my family, and I still have family here. So it means a great deal for me that Travelers has thought about Puerto Rico to come and restore some hope in this forgotten community.
Families are stopping by wondering, are my kids going to be able to play here? Are we going to have a sense of normalcy here? And that's what we bring. We're bringing a sense of normalcy to a town that desperately needs it.
When the work was finished, the community celebrated with a meal and, of course, their favorite pastime.
I have a tremendous amount of emotion because I feel that slowly but surely we are returning back to normal. That's what repairing these facilities means to us. It helps us to become a community once again. For me, that is a great feeling, and I hope that we can all enjoy it together.
Pues gracias al grupo de Travelers. Thank you, Travelers.